welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to take you all back to the corner takeout. And this is what's on the menu for today. Sesame chicken. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Now, this is the first part. This is for the chicken. Paprika, salt and black pepper, garlic powder, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, an egg, and the chicken. And also we're going to be using vegetable oil to fry this chicken with. So I have a wok here, and I'm going to turn it on medium high. This is the first thing we do. We're gonna mix up the eggs. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now this is the flour. We're going to add the paprika, the garlic powder, the black pepper, and salt. We're seasoning the flour. We're making seasoned flour. We mix all this up together. Now, this is what we're going to do while the oil is heating up. Take the chicken, dip it in the cornstarch. Shake it off. Then we dip it in the egg. Then we dip it in the flour. Now we're going to put the chicken in the wok. Shake it off. Remember, cornstarch, egg wash, and flour. Shake it off, add it to the wok. Now let's flip them over to the next side. Now it's time to take them out. And after I take all of these out, I'm going to continue to fry the rest. Now we're going to make the sauce. These are the ingredients we will be using: ketchup, brown sugar, scallions chopped, sesame seeds, honey, chili sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil. I've turned the wok on medium high, and we're going to add the ingredients to the wok. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now we're going to add the ketchup. The brown sugar. The sweet chili sauce. The honey. And we mix everything up and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Now it's time for the chicken to jump in the wok. Mix all of this up. We let this heat up for about 1 minute. Now we're going to add the sesame seed. And the chopped scallions. There you have it. Sesame chicken from the corner takeout. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.